Bay windows are a beautiful addition to any Sterling Heights home. They expand your view, bring in natural light, and create extra space that can be used for seating, decor, or storage. When installed correctly, bay windows can increase curb appeal and even improve energy efficiency. However, when mistakes happen during installation, homeowners may face drafts, leaks, structural issues, and costly repairs. Understanding the most common bay window installation mistakes can help you make informed decisions and protect your investment. One of the most common mistakes is improper measurement. Bay windows are not standard flat windows, they project outward and require precise measurements from multiple angles. Even a small error can result in gaps, uneven alignment, or structural strain. In Sterling Heights homes, where seasonal temperature changes can cause materials to expand and contract, accurate measurements are especially important. Working with experienced professionals ensures your window is custom fitted to your home's exact specifications. Another frequent issue is inadequate structural support. Bay windows are heavier than traditional windows because they are made up of multiple panels and extend outward from the home. Without proper support brackets, reinforced framing, or a correctly installed roof or overhang, the window can begin to sag over time. This not only affects appearance but can also compromise safety. A properly supported bay window should feel solid and secure, without any shifting or movement. Poor insulation and sealing are also common problems. Sterling Heights homeowners experience cold winters and warm summers, so energy efficiency matters. If the window is not properly sealed around the frame, drafts can enter your home, increasing heating and cooling costs. Inadequate insulation can also lead to condensation buildup, which may cause mold or water damage over time. Professional installers use high-quality flashing, sealants, and insulation materials to create a tight, weather-resistant seal. Water intrusion is another serious concern. Bay windows require careful flashing and waterproofing, especially where the window meets the exterior wall and roofline. If flashing is installed incorrectly or skipped altogether, water can seep behind the window frame. Over time, this moisture can damage drywall, insulation, and structural components. In a climate like Sterling Heights, where rain and snow are common, proper waterproofing is essential to protect your home. Ignoring the roof or overhang above the bay window is another mistake homeowners sometimes overlook. Many bay windows include a small roof structure to protect the window from rain and snow. If this roof is poorly constructed or not integrated properly with your existing roofing system, leaks can develop. A well-installed bay window should include a properly sloped and sealed roof that directs water away from your home. Ventilation considerations are often forgotten as well. Some bay windows include operable side panels to allow airflow. If these panels are not installed correctly, they may stick, fail to close properly, or allow air leakage. Smooth operation and secure locking mechanisms are key to both comfort and security. Aesthetic mismatches can also become a regret. Choosing a bay window style or material that does not complement your Sterling Heights home's architecture can affect resale value and curb appeal. It's important to consider frame color, grid patterns, and interior finishes so the new window blends seamlessly with your home's design. Finally, attempting a DIY installation without the proper tools or experience is one of the biggest mistakes homeowners can make. Bay window installation is complex and requires knowledge of framing, structural reinforcement, insulation, and waterproofing. While DIY projects can be rewarding, this particular upgrade is best left to trained professionals who understand local building codes and best practices. Avoiding these common bay window installation mistakes can save you time, money, and frustration. When installed correctly, bay windows enhance your home's beauty, increase natural light, and improve comfort year-round. By choosing experienced installers and focusing on quality workmanship, Sterling Heights homeowners can enjoy the full benefits of their bay window investment for many years to come.